Hi parents, I'm going to give you a couple examples of how we solve some of the problems that they've been learning this week in class. This should help them with homework or any questions you may be having. We'll start with this first question that was on Monday's homework. If we have 36 and 4/10 times 100. I know we all know the old school way to do it, the way I like, but here is the way that we are learning it here in class now. A little way that I have them memorize this, I have them say, "The hungry tiger ordered tasty, hot tacos," which is kind of, an easy way for them to remember how to draw the place value chart. And we're going to go ahead and place our first number here into the place value chart. The 3 is in the tens place for 36, so we will put the 3 here, and the 6 is in the ones place. The decimal always is behind the ones place, and the 4 is here. Or you could just have the student memorize that the decimal always goes behind the ones place and just kind of line it up just as you see it in the problem. So once they've done that, they're going to draw a line underneath it. They're going to look at what I told them was the map. This right here tells them what direction to go, and this is going to tell them how many times to go. They learned in class that multiplication means you're going to go to the left, because as you go across the place value chart, your numbers are increasing from ones to tens to hundreds to thousands. So multiplying, making your number bigger, will make you go shifting to the left. And if the sign is division, you will shift to the right. So in this problem, we know we're going to the left. We just need to see how many times. Since there are 2 zeros in our base number here, we know that we are shifting 2 times. So we take our 3 and we're going to go ahead and shift over once and twice. Our 3 is now here. Our 6 stays right next to it, and our 4 stays right next to it. And the part that a lot of students are having trouble with is remembering that our decimal doesn't follow the numbers, it stays where it was. So with this gap here, in order to keep our 3 in the thousands place, our 6 in the hundreds place, and our 4 in the tens place, we've got to put a 0 so that nothing shifts. So our answer to this problem is 3,640. I'm going to show a division problem. If we had 345 divided by 10, we're going to do our place value chart. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and plug in our number. This does not have a decimal there, and so I've told students when you don't see a decimal, it always goes behind the last digit. So we're going to go ahead and plug our number here into our place value chart. And now we've got to look at our map. We have a division sign, which tells us that we go to the right. And we have 1 0, so we're shifting our numbers to the right once. Sorry if the camera is shaking. I'm trying to hold it. Okay, so here we go. The 5 goes here, the 4 goes here, and the 3 goes here. Our decimal, we just bring it straight on down, and our answer is 34 5/10. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions. I hope that these examples helped you and your student better understand what's going on here in the classroom, and thank you so much.